This is Roy from Olivon Investments. You can visit us at olivon.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. This is our final day in the small account builder challenge where we trade with $2,000 using leverage. Uh, just to let you guys know before we go any further that we are if you get in now, there's information on how you can get free shares from Olivon, and you'll if you click on our investors link, that it'll tell you some more about that. Yeah, so this is day 17, the final day. We didn't trade every day. Some days it just wasn't really enough going on, so we decided to stay out of it. Probably should have done that today. This really isn't a good example. But yesterday or the night before, it was trading at 587. Then pre-market was up to $17. Then it had just pulled back so much that I decided to do a dip trade. Yeah, I definitely didn't want to do it, at the open, in that first 5 minutes. But, then when it pulled back a second time, I was fortunately it pulled back enough. I did get a chance to get out, so I got out. I went in at $12. I got out at 12.01. However, it was a risky trade. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody else. But anyway, that's what happened. So it was pretty much break even. Let's see if I can metrics here. Yeah, see, I made $6, so yeah, pretty much break even one trade. So I mean, 100% accuracy, yeah, I guess, but yeah, yeah. All right. Okay, so yes, we made money this month. Made a lot of money, and our risk level, I know it sounds insane because it starts out at $2,000 with 4 times leverage. After day one we made $884, so then it was like just 3 times leverage. By day 7, we would have already been down to like 2 times leverage. Yeah, so things went pretty good. I'm going to do a separate video, and I'm going to show some charts and try and break down everything that happened in the month, show how much money we made, and I'll like that. So stay tuned, and I'll try. I want to do this again. I liked how this turned out. I'd like to do it. I'd like to do it where you guys can go in and watch me get in and out while everything's happening. However, it's difficult because when I every time I try and load a video over like 7 or 8 minutes, like they won't let me do it, so I have to break the videos up, and it's difficult for me on the website like that. But you're welcome to check out everything on our website. Like I said, you can figure out how to get some free shares if you visit our investors link right there. If you go to our education portal, and anything you do on our site, I'll see that somebody visited the site, but I won't know. It's completely anonymous. We don't know. We don't put cookies on your site. We don't. There's nothing to sign up for or anything like that. If you have any questions, you're welcome to email me. But that's pretty much the gist of it.